We are at Richardsons Hospital, about to begin a hair transformation case, so as to say. He's a man in his late 20s, but he's been experiencing hair fall, say about 2 to 3 years, right? And it is a typical male pattern baldness for him, and it's in his genes. His father has the same problem, but in his own words, he encountered it in his late 30s and early 40s. But for him, it has come way early, which is in his 20s. He's just 27 years old and he has not sought any active treatment for the hair loss. He has been staying out of home and shifting a lot of places, but nothing seems to have worked for him. Just here, put a head down, sir, and as we see, there's a huge male pattern baldness that we see, and at this age, it seems quite deficient and sparse in this region. The hairline is almost diminished and vanished. The temporal grooving have become deep, frontal hair loss up till right till the crown area. The markings have not been done, so the basic idea is to show the patient before the patient preparation and trimming is done, such that you can follow each and every step of the procedure in detail. It will be a follicular unit extraction. The donor area will remain the occipital area, and as we see, if he turns back, he has good amount of grafts. We are hopeful. The density seems quite good, so this is will be his natural donor area. So the occipital and temporal are generally spared from hair fall or hair loss or hereditary hair fall, as we say. It's because the receptor for binding the hormone, especially in DHT, as we say in males, is missing, and it only affects the frontal and the crown area. Let's see, it is going to be an extensive FUE technique transplantation for this young man of ours who has come a long way and has understood that it's beyond conservative treatment for him anymore, and he's seeking surgical treatment, which is hair transplantation. We've told him that the journey will be long because hair cycle takes time to grow, and also he has to follow it up with medications and PRP because the area for him is quite extensive. Let's see how it goes. Thank you.
ஸ்ப்ரெட் பண்ணி வைக்கிறது யூஸாக கிடையாது. ஸோ நம்ம வந்து டென்ஸ் பேக்கில் நம்ம வைக்கணும்.
ஸ்டிச் இருக்கு கேட்குதா?
Full.